Welcome to DocVZ, your all-in-one document tool. Step 1. Logging in. Visit docvz.com and log into your account. Once logged in, you will see the main interface. Step 2. Uploading your document. After logging in, you will see 3 options. Click on Update New to upload your file. It can be any document or book. Keep in mind that the free version only allows uploading documents up to 300 pages. Once you upload your document, it will take a few seconds to process. After processing, click Chat Now to open the interface where your document will be displayed. Step 3. Using chat features. Once your document is uploaded, you will see a proper chat interface. Here's what you can do. Summarize text. Click on any paragraph and select the Summarize option. This will generate a short, easy-to-read summary of the content. Generate questions or references. DocVZ can automatically create reference questions based on your document. Explain or clarify. Use the Explain option to get detailed explanations in simple language. You can interact with your document, ask questions, and get insights easily. With DocVZ, you can explore your documents in detail and access multiple features that make reading, summarizing, and understanding content fast and easy.